Hello, I'm Dr. Road. This is the current chaotic scene at my house. As I've been adding more tools while working on my bikes, one small toolbox just isn't enough. I thought it would be great to have a tool storage setup similar to a bike shop, and it should be mobile. So I bought one online. By the time it arrived, my kids had already half unboxed it. Wanting to organize my space, I quickly brought it inside. It's all steel, so it's a bit heavy. I was worried about it getting dented since it was an international order, but it arrived perfectly fine. You can lock up the tools with a key to keep them safe from the kids. While rummaging through the drawers, I found a box with the wheels needed for moving it around. I installed 2 swivel wheels on the right side and 2 fixed wheels on the left side. You can use the included wrench to assemble the toolbox. Honestly, even an elementary school kid could put it together. I can't stop my son. It's starting to look pretty good now. Secure the triangular steel plates on the sides, then fold the steel along the dotted lines. My fingers are about to break. When securing the panel bolts, use a spanner to prevent the nuts from slipping. You can place various chain oils or cleaning sprays on the table. It's perfect for home use, allowing you to store various tools and move them around easily. The wheels can be locked with a foot pedal. You don't have to organize your tools perfectly. You can just toss them in. The sliding bearings make it quiet and smooth. The handle is also great for hanging rags used to clean your bike. The price was around $200, which is a bit expensive, but considering its versatility, I'm very satisfied. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and like. This was Huang In Quan, author of Electric Bike Master Books. Thank you for watching.